What's up, slut muffins? I'm just here enjoying my espresso. That's me espresso. Yeah, you wish you guys could have me espresso, period. Everyone needs a little John Anthony in their life, period. So, I just want to give a little bit of encouragement. Might be random or whatever, so let me know if this video helped you or added value to your life. But all of you beautiful slut muffins should be getting your asses on social media in some way, shape, or form. We live in 2026. We don't have to go farm. We don't have to do agriculture. We don't have to build buildings. We don't have to push cars and pluck and use like plows and mine for gold and plow for steel. Like, we don't gotta do that. Like, welders, like, there's a time and a place, and thank you to all the hunky, sexy men out there that love those jobs. Like, God bless. You keep this world spinning. God bless. But I'm talking about for the people that literally know it in their bones that they're here to be legends. They're here to walk red carpets. They're here to be a supermodel in Vogue. They're here to, like, be that bitch, basically. I don't care what your goddamn passion is. I don't care if you want to talk about farming. I don't care if you want to talk about how to grow potatoes or how to fucking sprout corn or how to build a bathtub or how to build a house, or I don't care if you want to post yourself singing, singing, dancing, acting. Like, all of you watching this have a literal specific fucking talent. All of you. I don't want to hear, oh, I'm not talented. That's not the truth. Okay, you feel like you're not talented because of what you've been through. The bullies, the people that tried to dim your light because they were actually so scared of your fucking light because it just highlighted the fact that they're so stupid and boring within themselves. You have a purpose. Don't tell me that whatever you believe in, God, the universe, Jesus, whatever, made your beautiful, sexy ass talentless. That's not true. That's not true. You need to, for one, what you're doing is allowing those people that bullied you or made you fucking feel less than, you're allowing them to win. Okay, so I need you to get up. I need you to stop crying. And I need you to dig deep down within that heart, that motherfucking soul, and figure out what would you be doing if you already knew what your success looked like. If you could see into the future and think, okay, damn, this is what I was successful for. What would you be doing? What would you be doing? And social media, when you post on social media, your opportunities are endless, are limitless. The doors that are able to open up for you, this is the way. I'm sorry, this is the way that you're going to manifest your dreams, by putting yourself out there. What are you going to do? Go door to door singing? No. You're going to share your gifts, your talents, your art with the world. Okay, get over the fear of being seen. Block your family members, block those likely people from your high school, block those fake coworkers so you can fully sprout into the icon that you are meant to be. Period. Does anyone have any questions around social media and the fear? Any questions that you need advice on? So we have a question from the audience, and the question was how to kind of hook your audience. Now, some would say you have to like learn hooks. In my opinion, you can easily Google that with ChatGPT. Like, tell them what your content is about. Because I know that there's a lot of analytical things you can do to hook your viewers in, you know, come up with a good visual, audio, text hook or something. But to me, I don't think I went viral with like hooks. I think I went viral with my crazy energy and making people feel motherfucking seen. I don't think this video is making sense. Hopefully when I edit it, because I got that high choppy brain right now. My brain feel a little choppy. You can post any motherfucking video around your business and you get motherfucking clients and your life has changed. That video you post can be, you can post it right now. You can post it in an hour, you can post it in a second. The truth is you never know when doors are gonna open up for you, okay? But it's your job to kind of walk the path, meet God, meet universe halfway. You never know what cover you post gets that label's attention. Or you never know what vlog that you post is going to get that brand's attention. You keep showing up every single day. Because haven't you been through enough pain? Isn't it time to be whimsical? Isn't it time to be magical? Isn't it time to take your power back from the people that hurt you? Like I keep saying, the people that bullied you? And say, you know what? I'm going to finally live for me. Show up, share your talents, and simply don't give a fuck about what people are going to say. Okay, because life is too precious to waste. You all have talents, but the first step is to give yourself permission to search, to find, to reconnect, to explore, to figure out what your passions are without shame and judging yourself. and start posting on social media, because that's how the success is going to come. That's how the right eyes are going to find you. That is how the aligned opportunities are going to find you. That is how your soul family, your soul tribe, your aligned clients and customers and audience is going to find you. This is your sign to fuck the fear of being seen. You no longer have it. You don't care about being rejected. You don't care about being bullied, because that's why you've been through all the bullying in your past to morph you into that strong motherfucking version that you are today. So pull it together and share those talents with the world.